All right, I'm doing a Target gig for the Field Agent app. I'm going to record with my meta glasses so you can see it from my point of view and decide if this is a side hustle you want to do. Let's go. Grab the basket so I can blend in a little bit better. So you want to blend in as much as possible. Grabbing a wagon or a cart is a great way to make it look like you're actually shopping or looking for something. Sometimes the manager or employees will get like offended or tell you to leave or that you can't take pictures in the store. So try to blend in, try to just look like a customer. Don't try to look like you're at work or you're working or trying to make money. And if someone does approach you, just be very polite. And worst thing they could do is ask you to leave and then you won't make the money, but that's going to waste your time. So it's very, very important to stay under the radar. So now I'm walking. This one is for the pasta sauces and the pasta. So I've been to this Target so many times. I knew exactly where the pasta was. So right there, this is the pasta aisle. And what's great about this store is they don't have the biggest grocery aisles. So now I'm just taking a picture, a nice 4-foot picture of the shelf. You don't want to overlap too much. You want to get exactly 4 feet, maybe a little bit of overlap, and then that's it. The next question is for the pasta. So there was 2 shelves of pasta. This same gig at Walmart took a lot longer because there was like a whole aisle of pasta. And the last question was for crackers. After all of these shelf views, they're going to ask you if there's displays. So I'm checking these end caps to make sure there's no displays of pasta or pasta sauce. There was none. So now I'm looking for the cracker aisle. It's really great that all of the grocery stuff is in this one section of the store, so you don't have to walk back and forth. At the supermarket, you may have to do a couple of laps to find the stuff, but Target's pretty easy. So keep that in mind. So here are the crackers. Same thing, 4-foot shelf of the crackers. I think that goldfish are included in crackers, so I chose that. Now I'm checking the back, making sure I didn't miss any end caps or displays, so there was no display. And then now on these shelf view gigs, the last question is always going to be a freestanding display. So any display that they didn't ask for that's not an end cap, basically. So I always get this one as I'm walking out of the store. So I'm walking, I saw this really cool display here, took the picture while I was still walking. I never stopped at all. This way you could be efficient and do as many as possible because this one only pays $3, but there were a lot in this area. So you could really rack up some money if you do a lot of these. So you want to be as efficient as possible. So this took about 3 minutes from when I walked out of my car till now, and I'm checking the app to see if there's any other gigs available. And there was one at the Best Buy right across the street, so I'm going to go do that one next. Click the link down below to sign up for this side hustle app.